The topic for today is how to access and download 3ds Max 2027 officially through a student license. To begin, search for Autodesk Student on Google. Press Enters. Click on the Autodesk Education and Student Access link. If you already have a verified Autodesk account, click on Sign In. If you don't have a student account yet, you can follow my previous video on how to create a verified student account using your institutional ID. The link is in the description below. Enter your login ID. Click Next. Enter your password. Click on Sign In and wait for the page to load. This may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Let's scroll down. Click on the Select tab below 3ds Max. After clicking, it will redirect you to Autodesk Educational Access Portal. Click on Access Product. After clicking, it will redirect you to all products and services. Select the 3ds Max version. You can select any other version as per your requirements. Here, I'm selecting 3ds Max 2027. Click on System Type. Here, only the 64-bit option is available. Click on Win64. Next, click on Language. As you can see, different types of languages are available. Here, I'm selecting English. Click on the arrow next to the Install button. Click on Download. After clicking, Autodesk will prepare the official files and the installer download will start automatically in your browser. Click on Downloads. Let's wait for the downloading completion. Next, click on the installer file. After clicking, it will start preparing for installer file creation. The total size of the 3ds Max installer is approximately 5.63 GB. So, the speed will depend on your internet connection. While downloading the software, let's review the official system requirements for 3ds Max 2027. For entry-level system configuration, it requires a 64-bit Windows 11, an Intel or AMD multi-core processor, 4 GB minimum RAM, and a 1920x1080 resolution conventional display. For more details, you may visit the Autodesk official site. A link is given below. So, as you can see, the software was downloaded in around 6 minutes 45 seconds. After a successful installer creation, two options will appear: Open in Folder and Run Installer. Click on Open in Folder. Here, you can see all installer files downloaded successfully. Next, how to install 3ds Max and with student license is given in the next part of the video. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.